Rob the jewelry store and tell her make me a grill. Had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Oh. Where am I going, sir?
Outside.
Am I?
Yes.
Right.
They like fast cars, so we're gonna see.
You know I'm going to drive really slow.
We're gonna see.
Ooh. Drive
Fancy
nice.
business.
It drives smooth. I can see girl strips and all.
Yes.
Hey my peoples, welcome back to a brand new vlog. This vlog contains bits and pieces of events and things that I've been at over the course of maybe 2 months. So I'm just piecing them together to give you guys content. You would have seen I've gone to the GAC car show, and it's no secret that I'm looking for a car. I'm car shopping. However, I don't know, going to these car shows, you start to open up your mind to what's really out there. And it's the conversation of the traditional cars versus the newer Chinese model, the lesser known brand, right? And I'm looking at the features and I'm like, wait, for the money, you know, if I want to get a high-end vehicle, the money for the features, it's really just the brand that I'm paying for. Like, this car has way more features. I hear the conversation about the parts and what will happen when it's time to maintain it. I get that, but you know, it's like, the features, they're bad. They're very useful. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. How are you feeling about this traditional car versus like these Chinese brands? And from the reviews that I've seen online, most people still have the lesser known brands. So like, is it that bad? Enlighten my darkness, guys, in the comment section, and we'll get to the next part of the video right here.
How do you feel about the pasta night? Belly full, good wine, good.
Go crazy. Go crazy.
So let me tell you a story about how I was 1 week early for an event.
I hear say we're a little bit early. How early are we?
A whole week early. Anyways, the event in question was pasta night at Top Bar, and honestly, once I finally made it to the correct date, it was exactly the vibe I imagined when I saw the flyer. What I really loved was the setup. It's basically a build your own pasta experience, so you can customize your plate exactly how you like it. I went for the oxtail pasta with chipotle cream because I love a little spice, and baby, that was absolutely the right decision. Everything was so flavorful, creamy, and just good. Like one of those meals where you immediately know you made the right choice. And you already know how these food spots go. The minute people start posting them, everybody rushes there. But honestly, this one deserves attention. So yeah, add Top Bar's pasta night to your list because the food, the vibe, and the experience is a 10 out of 10.
Poli che venga, yo, I go to be a gelato. Gelato for the way you did it. Not for life, and I'm creating trees. Did it not be a gelato like this? I want to see a tear, then you're like, when you say, you must have this cheese. Tell me sweet, so she want to taste it, please. And I smile with the pretty braces, Steve. Bench money, highway, here it's quick. I don't know nothing, I haven't with it. Hotter than a gutter bread. What do you want to find the letter people holler head? They are never had, get us to me, Yana. Don't be going, you don't know the black of it. No, we don't let you with the master than a mac of it. All right then. Come back, celebrate. Jack Rose again, a bag in another bed. Get us to the first one, we are the other. Let me call on. You know it, 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 you know it. Set up my girl like a fool. I tell you, I'm going to be a son of the president, I roll out. On a go like you want some rocks, so don't run with me. The body, what's up with the light, the bar, the dolly, don't back me. What is it? I gotta make sure we know before we leave ya. When I say T, you say okay. T, okay. T, okay. When I say T, you say okay. T, okay. T, okay. This is them show me you want to see and then so my girl say yo, bam bam, wine to the road. Bam bam, and girl because you know your body don't shake yo. Bam bam, wine on the road. Rock out with the man them so don't shake yo.
No matter what it is that you're going to represent online, you have to do your own personal research. There's due diligence to be done in doing research relating to your talent, to your niche, to the industry that you want to be a part of, be a player in, and understanding the universal standards around that. And not thinking, as we all mentioned, social media is just an entry point, it's just a tool, it's just something to utilize now in a digital era, but it is not the end all be all, because where do we live? IRL, in real life. So I think it's very important to do your research and understand how these different industries actually operate.
Today I discovered that my devices, they overheat, and I need to figure out how to solve for that when I am actually creating content, because the whole time I'm recording this this discussion, the phone is getting hot, and not just the phone, you know, the DJI too. So it's like the phone eventually kind of locked the screen, because you know, once the phone starts overheating, the phone is trying to cool itself back down. And I'm like, yo, you cut off, you decide to shut down during a very important part of the damn speech. Why would you do that to me? Why are you embarrassing me? If there are any content creators, videographers out there watching my content, can you give me some tips?
Ever living, ever faithful, and ever short. Yeah, speed up. Crazy. Yeah, man. He's in the zone. Yeah. Chat, this is Herb, okay? This is Herb.
Guys, I'm really feeling an immense feeling of gratitude right now, and I have a story that I want to share, that I feel compelled to share, and I hope that it resonates with somebody watching this video right now. So in December of 2024, I had this urge. I don't know where it came from, but I couldn't ignore it. But I had this urge to revamp a business model that I've been sitting on for years. I registered my business in December 2024, and in 2025, January to April 2025, I spent the entire time working on the business. I worked on the website, the social media, I got branded shirts, I invested in equipment, and I decided there and then that I was going to fully put it out there. I even made a video where I mentioned it, right? Because I do believe closed mouths don't get fed. If you are doing something, if you have a business, you should talk about it. Anyways, a whole year later, and I'm just feeling immense gratitude for the journey thus far, for how far I've come. I'm just excited to see how far I'm about to go. I want to encourage anybody who's watching this video right now who has an idea, whether it's a business idea, or you're feeling like a shift in maybe a career choice, or you feel led to try something new. Don't ignore the feeling. Take the time to process that, understand what that means, and figure it out and chase it.
It's your boy Easy. Are you ready?